Okay, so let's have a look on the trend pattern 2. As I have taught you the trend pattern first, it's quite easy to understand. Follow the trend and take your trades along with the range, right? The trend pattern 2 is quite interesting because in trend pattern 2, let's have a look on the example of a bullish trade. As soon as the resistance is broken, now this is a past resistance from the past coming up, right? The latest past, you can say. As soon as the first past resistance is tested with a bullish trend breaking out, the market will go up, create a range, and then come back again on the same breakout range that it created. That resistance which got broken will act as support this time, and this support, to confirm that the support is really getting supported by the sentiments of the traders and by the market will go up, create a higher low, create a lower high, and then again make a retest at that support, creating a double bottom. Once this double bottom is seen, we can enter into this trade, keeping this as the stop loss, this is the TP, and this is of course our entry point. Got it? The same thing happens on the trend pattern when it is a bearish trend pattern. Now the trend is continuing. The only thing people get confused is because of this. What they don't see is every time if it is a bearish trade, a small double top is getting created. The point is you should not take aggressive entries in this. If you are trading on an intraday level, don't take aggressive entries, take confirmed entries. How many confluences are there in this chart? See, the first is the trend coming down, the second is this area getting breakout, right? Support getting broken out. Then the third confluence is market creating a double top to give us the third confirmation. And after three confirmations, I think this is a very good trade area to take an entry. You short it from here. This is your stop loss and this is your TP. Extreme low, the TP will be. All right. Okay. Watch it again. If you didn't understood, let's move to the next trend pattern.